In the previous videos, we talked about many recipes for weight loss. Starting from these videos, we will talk about some of how we can gain muscle. First of all, gaining muscle is not an easy thing in that we go to the gym and lift weights only, but it requires us to do two basic things to gain muscle, which are a stimulus for muscle growth and energy for tissue growth. The stimulus for muscle growth comes from the exercises we do, and the energy for the growth of our tissues comes from the calories we eat in our food. When we talk about recipes for gaining muscle, we must calculate the calories appropriate for the nature of our bodies and the activity we do, and the amount of protein, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals in our recipes, their diversity, and their presentation in a different and varied way to ensure continuity in our diet that we will follow. There are also some tips that we must follow, and we will mention some of them, including them. 1. Eat protein with every meal to boost your muscle mass. 2. Eat fruits and vegetables with every meal. 3. Eat carbohydrates only after exercise. 4. Eat healthy fats. 5. Drink water to help you build muscle mass. We will be finished today, and the next video, we will talk about recipes for breakfast. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, press button at the bell to reach you all new